Hello everyone, welcome to this video on proposal writing. Whether you're a student trying to ace an assignment or a professional preparing for a formal proposal, this video will help you understand the basics of proposal writing, its structure, and how to create an impressive proposal step by step. So grab a pen and paper and let's dive in. So, what is proposal writing? A proposal literally means a plan or a program. It refers to a formal or written document put forward for approval by a competent authority. A proposal is like pitching an idea to get approval, funding, or support. For instance, students may write proposals for projects while professionals might write them for business deal or initiatives. As it is written there, proposal writing is the process of creating a formal document that outlines a plan, idea, or project for approval or support. It is often used in business, academia, research, and non-profit sectors to persuade the head of an institute, potential client, funder, or stakeholder to take a specific action, such as organizing programs, events, providing funding, agreeing to a partnership, or endorsing a project. So, there are some guidelines in writing a proposal. The proposal should focus on the future. It will usually contain hypotheses about results of possible future actions and recommendations for future actions. It must be easy to follow. Clear headings must be divided into sections. Impersonal, it should be impersonal and neutral. It should contain clear recommendation for future. Common types of proposal are project proposal and research proposal, grant proposal, business and sales proposal, situation based proposal. Characteristic of proposals. Clear. The reader shouldn't be left confused about what the proposal writer wants to do. It should be direct about what they want from the reader. Proposals should be specific as far as possible. Now, steps for proposal writing. That includes planning. Know your reader who will read your proposal. What do you want your reader to get from your proposal? Keep elements of style in mind. Don't overuse slangs, abbreviation, or complex language. Write in plain and direct language as much as possible. Start with a firm introduction. Start out with a hook. Make your proposal as purposeful and useful as possible. State the purpose of your proposal. Propose solutions. Wrap up with a conclusion. Summarize the benefits of your proposal. Leave your reader thinking ahead. Now, format of proposal writing. According to IEC guidelines, a proposal must include the following, that is, the title, heading, objectives, list of measures, and conclusion. So, a title, a concise and clear heading that reflects the content. The heading, it needs to define what is your proposal about and what you intend to do by putting forward your proposal. For objectives, each proposal must include at least two objectives to define what result you intend to achieve by making such a proposal. And if it comes to list of measures, it should enlist all measures you would take to make this proposal success. It must have at least 4 points or 4 measures. And moving towards conclusion. The proposal should be concluded with a positive sentence stating that you are hopeful that your proposal will be accepted by the reader. Now, here is an example for each title, heading, objective, list of measures, and conclusion. For title, if the question says setting up a science club or any other club, the title should be Proposal for Setting Up a Science Club. Heading, to foster an interest in science outside the classroom and introduce students to the wonders and relevance of science in our lives, we propose to set up a science club in school. This is an example of heading. Objective, a science club will help students overcome their phobias regarding science. It will be instrumental in developing the scientific curiosity of students through its activities and programs. List of measures. As you can read, the middle school activity room will be used as the room for all science club meeting and activities. For list of measures, you have to list all the measures you would take to make that program or thing successful. This is what it is mentioned here. The meetings will take once a week after school from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Any activities such as talks by scientists or competitions will take place on Saturdays, and so on. Coming towards conclusion, we can write, we hope that the proposal will be accepted so that the science club becomes a reality in the life of the school. Now here is an example of a real proposal for orientation program. You can read, to organize an orientation program at the school for new parents so that they will be aware about the Rhine culture. Objective will be, this program would enable the new set of parents to be familiar with school management, rules, regulation, examination system, parents online portal, education, and co-curricular activities. List of measure includes appointing an in charge for preparing PowerPoint presentation. An in charge should be appointed for creating WhatsApp group of new parents. Exhibition of Rhinite should be displayed in different arena. A group of 5 people will be handed over the responsibility of preparing badges for felicitation. Refreshment for parents will be planned, and the conclusion part will be, we hope that the proposal will be accepted at earliest so that we can plan ahead for organizing this before the reopening of the school. And that's it for today's session on proposal writing. Remember, the key to a great proposal is clarity, structure, and persuasion. Now it's your turn. Start drafting your proposals and make them impactful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.